All right, it is time to celebrate some birthdays, something we don't usually do on Fox 14, but again, no morning show because of the Queen's funeral, so we're celebrating here right now. We begin with Emmett Guffey, turning 5 today. It says there he's smart, kind, important, loved, unique, brave, strong, and all of those things and more. Happy birthday, Emmett.
Yeah, I like that. Hannah Allen celebrating birthday number 9 this year. What a pretty picture of Miss Hannah in Pittsburgh.
And Brennan Wilson is turning 12. Brennan is the son of our marketing consultant, Zach Wilson. He's one of them, and he's celebrating birthday number 12 today. Happy birthday, Brennan.
All right, Brittany Degonia celebrating birthday number 14 this year in Crestline. Hope you have a wonderful day, Brittany.
We've got Lily Albin turning 15 today over in Humboldt. Lily, a very happy birthday to you today.
All right, and Braden Largent is sweet 16 this year. Braden celebrating in Parsons.
And Cecilia Newby turning 18 in Oswego. Now, birthday was on Saturday, and this comes with love from Dad, Mom, Cooper, and Colleen.
All right, and...
Oh my gosh, where am I? I skipped. This is Hayden Somebody's got to yell at me when I'm not doing this right. This is Hayden Davenport in Iola turning 16 with his adorable puppy there. It's what happens when our mornings are out of whack. Hayden, a very happy birthday to you. Now, I knew something was wrong when I read that name and looked at the photo. That's what happens. Tanya's got Cecilia.
There we go. Cecilia Newby, standing out in a field of her own. Yes. 18 years old in Oswego. Birthday was actually on Saturday with love from Dad, Mom, Cooper, and Colleen.
My goodness. Weston Marbury turning 18. Golden birthday was yesterday. He's a senior at Fort Scott High School, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Ty, and Jace.
All right, and we've got Andrew Charles Schlichting. What a great name there. Turning 20 years old in Jasper with love from Granny and Papa.
And we've got Don Beard turning 66 in Erie, smiling big there and hopefully smiling big every day. Don, happy birthday.
All right, in Carthage, celebrating the big 7-0 this year. It's Jim Fitzgerald. Happy birthday, Jim, with love from your wife, Carrie.
And we've got Peggy Sutherland also celebrating the big 7-0 over in Galena. Peggy, happy birthday.
All right. And Dennis Oplotnik turning 73 years old in Columbus. It's been quite a month for the Oplotniks because Dennis's wife turned another year wiser on the 11th, and they celebrated their golden anniversary on the 9th.
Talk about a busy month for the Oplotniks. We've also got Regina Edson in Parsons, turning 88 years young. Regina, happy birthday to you.
All right, Lula May Villegas, turning 96 years old this year in Oswego. Birthday celebrated on Saturday. Looking great there, Lula May.
And Janice Rennie, we've got to give big props to her. She's celebrating a birthday in Columbus, and she's the mom of our master control operator, Daniel Rennie. He's one of the guys back there that puts us on the air. Without folks like Daniel, we're not on TV. So, Janice, thank you, and a very happy birthday to you today.
And, of course, the man behind all of the beauty of KOAM, our Creative Services Director, Mr. Dale Switzer. Happy birthday, Dale.
He makes us look great.
Yes,
not just good, but great. We've also got Trevor Wagner turning 13 in Wyandotte. Rachel Gregory celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Sharon McCauley turning 82 in Moran. And Sharon is the wife of our four-state hero today, William McCauley. Happy birthday to you all. Dennis Galloway as well, turning 58.
Gregory and Megan Singleton celebrating an anniversary in Pittsburgh with love from Mom and Dad in Altamont. David and Donna Volk are celebrating 41 years together there in Carterville.
And Cindy Wallace celebrating a birthday, and Belinda Houston, who's also Cindy's sister, celebrating a birthday, and the list goes on. Eric Cope turning 8 in Joplin, also known as EJ, and Elvira Lathrop turning 88 in Lawton today. Happy birthday. And we wrap things up with Blake and Mallory Mathis celebrating an anniversary in Parsons.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can submit them to us through email at birthdayswithans@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're there, make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club. We are looking